Today we are sharing beef stew with potatoes. This dish is perfect for the New Year's Eve dinner table. Soft and flavorful, suitable for everyone. 600 grams of beef, 30 grams of green onion, 15 grams of ginger. We recommend you to use rib finger. I just happen to have beef knuckle at home. I use this instead. You can also cube it and then blanch it, but that way, the meat will be irregularly shaped. Remove the blood and cook for 20 minutes. Cut into 1-inch cubes. The meat is angular so it looks good. Add 60 milliliters of oil and 30 grams of sugar to a wok. Stir fry the sugar on low heat to melt it. Heat until browned and small bubbles form. When the small bubbles turn into large bubbles, add the green onions and ginger, star anise, sauce. Stir fry and add beef. Turn up the heat and stir fry for color. Add 1 tablespoon of cooking wine and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Add water to submerge the beef. Add a half teaspoon of salt. Pressure cooker for 20 minutes. Casserole cooks on low for 2 hours. "20 minutes later. Time is up. This is the time to make sure the meat is cooked to tenderness. Remove the green onion, ginger, and star anise. Add the potatoes. It is recommended that the potatoes are fried first. They are more beautiful. Cook for another 20 minutes to thicken the soup. When the soup has reached this level, add the green and red peppers. The red and green go very nicely together. Add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil at the end. The flavor will be more fragrant. Okay, out of the pan on a plate. Add a stick of cilantro for garnish. I hope this tasty and nice looking dish makes it to your New Year's table.